two atmosphere coming,
Mhm.
and then coming this storm.
Yeah. Wala nang kadaon-daon na green kang makikita. Lahat dito ay wala nang dahon. Kasi, ayun, naglagas na sila lahat. Kala mo mga tuyo, no? Gulat lang ako dito kasi yung langit nila, wala talagang ulap, ha? Wala kang ulap na makikita. Blue. Di ba, darling? I said the sky was no any clouds.
Oh.
You cannot see any clouds that they are forming.
Yeah.
They form something. Nothing. It's only blue skies has. So, tuyo na sila. Walang tao naglalakad. Pero safe, guys. No? Ang ilong ni Lola Bess ay talaga namumula na. Everything okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Malapit lang to. Yung dito, nagpo-pros na yung mga daanan. Kasi sobrang lamig. Yung ano, nagiging ng ice. Pero wala pang snow. No snow falling, right?
Not now.
Yeah, coming in the next day. I think weekend, no? I think Thursday. Thursday.
Yes, say like that. Yeah. They say this.
Yeah. Kala mo. Tuyo na sila. Pero, ano lang yan. Ngayon lang yan mag-winter na kasi super lamig eh.
Not the first, this is out. Call it out.
Oh.
Yeah. The first is with the other things, you know.
Labigo, ada. Yes.
For
Makahos.
wood, for furniture, for
Furniture,
wood.
yeah.
This one you can wood. This wood you can use for heating and for
Cooking.
wood.
Cooking.
Cooking,
Yeah. You can take wood here for cooking.
yeah.
Yes. Is it dry or no? No, it's not dry.
You know. There's no leaves now.
Yes, because it's cold. Once cold, ka lang makikita ang mga dahon. Hello. Na-imagine ko lang guys, kasi noon, talaga, nakikita ko lang to sa mga cinema, mga movie, na ganito yung mga dahon, no? Yung mga kahoy, no? Talagang walang kadahon-dahon na green. But ngayon ay talagang ang lolay mo ay to the maximum level. Nandito na tayo sa totoong actual na nakita na natin talaga sa personal. Right, darling?
What happened?
Because before, when I was look the movie, I only look this place like this. The trees without green leaves.
You see?
Yes. And then
When?
I just
When?
before. Been long time when I was watching movies, something like that. I just thinking.
Yeah. Okay. Hello, okay.
Hello. Yan, hindi natin to in-imagine guys, no? Kasi nakikita lang natin, parang sasabihin ko, parang nanonood tayo ng horror movie, no? because walang katao-tao. But ito na ang realidad. Nandito na tayo ngayon at ayun, ganito pala yun. Ganito pala yun guys. Ito pala yung totoong istorya kung bakit wala silang dahon.
Okay.
Kasi malamig na malamig ang klima. Right, darling?
Oh, yeah.
The climate was so cold and the leaves was, everything is down. Yun pala yun. Akala ko namatay na yung mga kahoy. Hindi pala totoo yun. So, hello, good for experience, good for adventure. na makakita ka ng ganito. Right, darling?
Yeah.
Nakita mo naman to si Mr. Olrey.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm very thankful to him, no? Because I cannot step in this ground if Mr. Olrey is not,
Oi. Yeah.
is the instrument,
Oh my
you
God,
know?
my-
It's
You
real
never
that.
come out to Philippines. huh?
Yes, I
Like this.
never come to Austrian Airlines for many hours traveling, you know? And then, I never been experienced to fly with a big airplane.
Ah,
Yes, because I always use the economy and this Malaysian Air Asia. Because I never been fly to Philippine Airlines. Only Cebu Pacific, Malaysian Airline, and
whatever.
Air Asia.
This is for the
So, look,
clean up for the electric.
guys.
Yeah.
Yan. Okay.
They wrote everything for the electric.
Oh, this one. Ah, yeah, because of electric. Ano na
Very
kaya?
high tension.
Na-imagine nyo ba guys kung maliligo ka sa ilog na ganito? Tapos ang temperatura ay 1 centigrade. Ano na kaya ang imagine mo? Tinan mo, hindi ko na nga nararamdaman ang ilong ko. Kung may ilong pa ba ako, wala na. Yan. So, yun. But anyway, kailangan mong makasanayan mo. Simple lang naman para hindi ka malamigan kahit malamig. Basta gumagamit ka ng tamang damit. Right? So, yun. May nakita ko yung tawala. Ito yung electric nila, high tension. Yan, high tension line. High tension line. Okay? My pronunciation is alright o no? Pag matigas na yung mga kamay ko, lagay ko muna sa bucket ko. Wala ako kay Mr. kasi masakit na yung kanyang mga likod. Pero talagang ginagawa niyang paraan. Makapasyal ako at malaman ko kung ano mga nandito.
This is also water they make here. This is for the animals to make.
Oh, the water.
Dog,
Ah.
everything, you know. The life. Yeah, life.
Pinapagawa na sila. Ganun. So, dito muna tayo guys. At maya-maya naman. Bye guys.